No time for Wall Street BS.
Are you out of your mind?
One of the largest personal portfolio stock traders in the Southeast.
Short this stock?
Coming off America's highest rated TV station.
Wow!
So we can get real on YouTube.
Oh yeah!
Now, here's the nation's top day trader from Quinnvest LLC, Andy Quinn. Okay, welcome to Quinnvest.com and Quinnvest.com on YouTube. I'm Andy Quinn. Thanks for checking us out, and we are going to review an unbelievable trade that we luckily walked into way back in May when we posted it up on all of the social media sites. So, hey, listen, remember, not all of the trades work out this good, and you could end up losing money right alongside of me. So basically, this is just for educational purposes only. There's the little disclaimer on how you can see some of our trades that work out, and we even post quite a few that don't work out. This in particular went through the roof, and it has been basically a very successful trade, one that you don't see more than a handful of times over the course of a decade. So this has been quite pleasant, and we will go ahead now and take a look on the screen. So basically, we went and notified everybody on all of the social media sites, including Moneyblog. I hope you're checking that out, and to the thousands of people that saw it as well on seekingalpha.com. Thank you. Back on May 17th of 2012, heading into the summer, we were all told that the global slowdown is kicking in and you should sell your stocks in May and go away. Well, we did not do that with stock ticker AAPL. That's stock ticker AAPL, also known as Apple. And yes, it was nosediving at the time, but we continued to hear that Apple's product pipeline was slightly slower than normal due to the fact that a number of people were waiting on the iPhone 5 refresh that would hit in the middle of September. So we figured we would buy on the way down and get ready for what could be a pretty good pop, because Apple's business obviously was not going away. People were just waiting for the new product. And we also knew that even though there was a global slowdown worldwide, there is heavy demand in China and many different emerging markets for Apple's products. Not just here in the USA, which so many say is saturated in the mobile phone market. Apple's proving otherwise, but that is the general consensus. So, back on May 17th, right before, I guess that'd be the big time summer sell in May and go away started, we purchased Apple at an average share price of $531. That's $531. And as of yesterday, we are out of stock ticker AAPL with a $137 gain per share. We have sold it all at $600.68. Now, you have many saying this is going to $1,000. But we, on the other hand, have seen a huge increase. We're going to get out of the stock, get on the sidelines, and possibly get back in down the road as Apple levels off and we can get a feel for whether this iPhone 5 is selling as predicted, which would be a blockbuster hit. We still don't know if it is a blockbuster hit. We're going to get to the sidelines, sit it out, wait around for another opportunity to get into Apple, and then try and ride it much higher. More than likely, it will be after we see an unexpected high down day on Apple would be when we start picking on it. So for now, that is the latest update on one of our hot stock picks, Apple. We have seen a large gain in it. We are now out of Apple, and we hope that you are able to educate yourselves and see how we did this trade and follow some of these trades that we're making so that you too can participate in the equity markets for a profit. Again, I'm going to warn and warn and warn you that many of our trades do not work. Many times it's as high as 30%. But we do have a number that hit, and you can use our endpoints as a reference point for yourself after you've done your homework and educated yourself properly and gone in very, very small. And of course, leaving some money to buy it 3, maybe 4 more times on the downside after you make your initial purchase like we did. That dollar costs you down into the stock. after you do all these things, you should be able to participate in the market to the upside on any pop. It doesn't happen on all of these trades. In fact, many do not work, but the ones that do are extremely successful, just like this example with Apple, and we will probably play it again, and you can follow us again, and continue to educate yourself and get comfortable before you even think of ever even making a stock trade, because again, you can lose everything in a stock. It's extremely dangerous, and these markets in particular are dangerous as the United States is facing this so-called fiscal cliff, where taxes potentially could balloon on businesses and private individuals come January 1. We are also seeing problems overseas in the Mideast with some violence that continues to be an issue that could affect our oil pipeline. And of course, we are not seeing employment pick up like it was predicted. So these are 3-4 things that basically could harm the markets and make them extremely dangerous. But we're going to try and pinpoint good companies that are continually making money with high global demand, like Apple. Thanks for checking us out at Quinnvest.com. I hope you liked what we had to show you on Quinnvest.com at YouTube. That's YouTube Quinnvest. I'm Andy Quinn. I'll see you soon.